Hello teachers, today we are going to teach you how to apply the leaves on the Swflern admin panel. Now, teacher have to apply the leaves on the Swflern admin panel instead of sending any emails on teacher.care. For applying the leaves on Swflern admin panel, they have to log in from their registered contact number as a username and the password. Click on the login. Once you will click on the login, this page will be open. Now drag your mouse in left hand side and from this gray bar scroll this down. So in the middle of this, teacher will get the option for the teacher leaves. Click on that. Now go with the option new application. So once you will click on the new application, this page will be open. So from here in the date range column, a single click this calendar will be open. So in the calendar, now a teacher requires the leave in the month of March. Select the month like this. Now apply the date. Suppose a teacher want the leave for a particular day, then click two times on a single date. But yes, if you want the leave for a multiple days, then a single click on a one day and a single click like this, 16 till 19. But yes, if you want the leave for a particular day, you need to click two times on a single day, 1 and 2 and OK. So after clicking on the OK, teacher will get the slot for that particular day. So here, suppose on the 16th of March, if teacher want the leave on particular time like this, then teacher can select the option from here like this. But yes, if the teacher want the leave for the 1 to 2 p.m. slot, then you can select the time from here. So that means you will not available on this timing. But yes, if you want the leave for a whole day, then from this date column, tick from here. So that means whatever the slot you have on that day, two slot, three slot, four slot, that means you have selected all the slot. After selecting your slot from here, teacher have to select the reason for the leave. So click on that. We have mentioned some of the reason here: health issue, electricity issue, internet connectivity, family function, examination, out of station traveling, or other. Select the option and click on the apply leave. Once you will click on the apply leave, now teacher can check the status of the leave. So for that, teacher have to click on the option leave history. Click on that, this page will be open. So here teacher can check how. Suppose I have applied the leave for 19th of January and my class is not created till now. So my leave automatically get approved. But yes, if my class is already created, so that means I can see the status here, leave applied. So before changing the status into leave approved, a teacher can cancel the leave if they want at any point of time from this red button cancel. But yes, if your leave get rejected, so teacher can see here in the status leave rejected. So in this way, teacher can check the status of the leave applied and you can apply the leave from the Swflern admin panel. Thank you.